In this video, I'll show you how to get API key for Perplexity. Let's begin. First, go to the official Perplexity website. The address is perplexity.ai. Click the login button at the top right and sign in using your Google, Apple, or email account. If you don't already have an account, go ahead and create one, then log in. After logging in, go to the bottom left corner of the screen. Click your profile picture or initials, then select Settings from the menu. Now look on the left-hand side. You will see a sidebar with different options. Under the Developer section, click on the option called API. Before you can create or view an API key, you first need to create an API group. Without doing this step, the API key option will not be available. To create an API group, click the button that says Create New API Group or something similar. A form will appear asking for a few details. First, enter the name of your API group. This can be anything you want. Next, write a short description, for example, for testing API access or project tools. Now fill out your address information. Start with your street address and then fill in your city, state, and zip code. Also, select your country from the drop-down menu. All fields marked as required must be completed. Once you've filled out the form, click Save. If everything is correct, the API group will be created. Now that your group is active, you will return to the API settings page. This time, you'll see an option to generate an API key. Click the button to create your key. A long string of letters and numbers will appear. This is your personal API key. Be sure to copy it and store it somewhere safe. Do not share this key with anyone. Remember, this option will only appear if you have an active paid subscription. If you're using a free account, you will not be able to access or generate an API key. With this key, you can start building tools that connect with Perplexity. You can use it for AI chatbots, search features, or other projects. If you ever need to remove your key or make a new one, just come back to this same page in your settings. You'll be able to manage everything from there. That's it.